We will be discussing what are the five key tools which will be used in AI era that are to earn a good amount of money. Okay, so my first question in this series: what are some free AI tools that beginners can start using today to earn online?
That sounds like an interesting session. For businesses looking to earn online using AI, here are three tools they can start with. Number one, chatbots. Tools like Drift or Intercom can help businesses automate customer support and engage visitors on their websites, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Two, AI content creation. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can assist in generating high quality content for blogs, social media, and marketing materials, saving time and effort. 3. AI powered marketplaces. Platforms like Shopify with AI integrations can help businesses set up online stores, optimize listings, and improve sales through personalized recommendations. These tools can help businesses leverage AI to boost their online presence and revenue.
Okay, which AI tool are best for content creators and designers?
For content creators and designers, here are some AI tools that are particularly useful. Number one, Canva. Canva's AI features help designers create stunning graphics quickly with templates and design suggestions. Number two, Adobe Sensei. Integrated into Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Sensei uses AI to enhance photo editing, video production, and other creative tasks. Number three, Lumen 5. This AI tool helps turn blog posts or scripts into engaging videos, making content creation much easier for creators. These tools can help content creators and designers streamline their workflow and produce high quality content efficiently.
Can you suggest AI tools for someone who wants to start freelancing but has no technical background?
Absolutely. Here are some AI tools that are perfect for freelancers without a technical background. Number one, Canva, an easy to use design tool for creating graphics, social media posts, presentations, and more. Number two, Copy.ai, helps generate written content such as blog posts, social media captions, and marketing copy quickly and easily. Number three, Fiverr, a platform that connects freelancers with clients for various services. It also provides AI tools to help freelancers optimize their gigs. These tools are user friendly and can help you get started in freelancing without needing technical skills.
Okay. How can I use AI tools to automate tasks and save time in my own online work?
Great question. Here's how you can use AI tools to automate tasks and save time in your online work. Number one, email management. Tools like Sanebox or Google's Smart Reply can help sort emails and suggest quick responses, saving you time on email management. Number two, social media scheduling. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite use AI to schedule posts, suggest optimal posting times, and even analyze engagement to improve your social media strategy. Number three, content creation. AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can assist in generating written content, saving you the time spent on brainstorming and writing. Number four, project management. Tools like Trello or Asana, enhanced with AI features, can automate task assignments, reminders, and project tracking. By integrating these AI tools into your workflow, you can automate repetitive tasks and focus more on creative and strategic aspects of your work.
Okay. Which free AI tools offer the best value for the launching a solo business? It is my last question. Okay. And after giving the answer, please give a advice to the young age people of India 18 to 35. What they should be learning in this 2025 year.
For launching a solo business, these free AI tools offer great value. Number one, Canva, for creating professional graphics, presentations, and social media posts. Number two, Google Workspace, includes tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive for collaboration and storage. Number three, Hootsuite, for managing and scheduling social media posts across different platforms. Number four, MailChimp, for email marketing to help you build and manage email lists and send newsletters. Number five, Trello, for project management to organize tasks and workflows. As for advice to young people in India, 18 to 35 in 2025, focus on developing digital skills like coding, digital marketing, and data analysis. Additionally, learning about AI and automation can give you a competitive edge in the job market. Embrace lifelong learning and stay adaptable to new technologies.
Say subscribe to Techno Tinker for this type of knowledge.
That sounds like a great resource. Staying updated with tech and business knowledge can really help you grow. Keep exploring and learning new things. It's a fantastic way to stay ahead. If you have any more questions or need guidance, feel free to ask.
Thank you. And you can check. Hi, I'm good at today. Okay, chatbot, AI content creation, and AI powered marketplace. These will be the future businesses looking earn online. If you want to earn online, you can go for these businesses. You can check it out here. And which AI tools are best for content creator? Canva, Adobe Sensei, and Lumen 5. Can you suggest AI tool or for someone who wants to start freelancing? Canva, Copy.ai, Fever. So I will suggest you to go with the Canva and have a hand-on experience with Canva. Canva is creating amazing thumbnails and an amazing design using AI. And now the Canva is launching his own code editor for front end or this type of stuff. Canva is giving free code. Okay. How can I use AI tool to automate tasks? Okay, email management, social media scheduling, content creation, project management can be automated by AI in 2025 easily. So guys, automate and do a solo business. And the last question and the important question, which type of skill or tools should 18 to 35 people learn in India in 2025? Canva is surely, because if you require design, if you require front end, Canva is helping a lot. And Canva enhancing its AI feature very fast and very smooth. Okay, very good. Like, and guys, you can see. Okay, here is the transcript. Thank you. So you can check my videos for this type of update. Thank you, guys.